Hi my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing all well and staying safe at home. In today's nail art video, I'm going to be sharing this beautiful easy to do nail art design at home. I hope you will like it. And I hope you have watched the compilation of 10 easy nail art designs using only toothpick in the last video. If not, I will link it in the description box below. You can always watch it after watching this video. So let's quickly start with this nail art tutorial. It is a very simple design, but it looks really elegant and can be done by beginners as well in just under 10 minutes. So for this, I painted all my nails in this beautiful pearl finish nail polish from NY Bay. It's a very beautiful light pink shade and it looks stunning, but takes about 3 coats to get opaque. Then I poured a drop of this bright pink polish, almost neonish polish, on a piece of plastic sheet, and using this dotting tool I am making small tiny dots right in the middle of my nails. You can also use a toothpick to create these tiny dots, or even a bobby pin can be used to create these dots. As you can see, I am making one straight line by applying these dots right in the center, or you can say in the middle of my nails. It's okay if you are not able to leave the equal amount of space between each of these dots, because it's not going to matter at the end of this design, as you will see. So take your time, go slow, and just draw these tiny dots like so right in the middle of the nail, so you can make a straight line in the form of these dots. Now I'm taking another drop of black nail polish on the same piece of plastic sheet. I'm using this plastic sheet because I can then dispose this off after I have finished using it. You can always use any of your wrappers or even an aluminium foil, a piece of aluminium foil for this purpose. So what I'm doing is I am taking a smaller dotting tool. You can always use the sharper side of the toothpick to create the smaller dots as compared to the ones we created earlier in the middle of our nails. So I'm creating these smaller dots right where there is a gap in between the bigger dots. As you can see, I think it's really hard to explain, but if you look closer, I am applying these black dots just in the middle of the bigger dots, and again trying to create a straight line alongside the pink dotted line. It's really simple, and again you should not worry if you're not able to apply these dots with the equal gaps. Just try to find the space or the gap between the bigger dots and draw your smaller dots over there. You can use any color combinations which you have at home. Any base color would do. In fact, you can use the neon colors, or you can use white, even white, black, red combination as well for this design, and it is going to look amazing as well. So quite a simple design, and you don't need much of nail supplies to create this design. And see, the design is almost over. We are left with the final step now. As always, we'll apply a good quality and a thick layer of top coat to protect our design and to give it a beautiful glossy shine. By doing this, as you know, our manicure will last for a longer period of time and it will keep looking that gorgeous, amazing, glossy mani. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did like this design and nail art tutorial, please do give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends who also love to do easy nail art designs at home. And I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before leaving by clicking on this circle, and if you wish to see other easy DIY nail art designs, then please click on these boxes. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.